So welcome back. The methods we are gonna talk about when it comes to sets are right here. Okay, let me try to zoom it. We are having some different method, that is the difference, the dot difference, the dot discard, the dot difference update, intersection, is disjoin, union, and is subset. And there are some pretty more simple methods like add, the len, and the copy, clear, which we have already done in previous data structure. So here, when you look at this, you think that it's a little bit difficult, but hang in there. They are all almost they're quite the same. So we are going to start with the first set method, which is the difference. We are having here the difference. So let's open our console. So for example, let's say we are having a set. Let's create a new set, my set, and here we initialize with values like from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now let's create another set that we name your set, and here we're gonna give them values from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we are having two sets, that is my set having values from 1 to 5 and your set having values from 4 to 10. Okay, now let's go one by one and see what these methods do in these two sets. So we start by the first let's see, by the first method we are having here, which is the dot difference. Okay, so you try to do my set, we apply the first method, my set dot difference. So here these are the different methods we are having. So here I enumerated some of the basic one important. So we use the first dot difference. Okay, use the difference, and here you will pass in here the console tells us that it returns the difference of two or more sets as a new set. So here if you put the difference of your set that we initialize here, so here we are having the values 1, 2, 3. So when you see your set, you are having from 4 to 10 and my set from 1 to 5. So the difference, it will return the values that are not in the both set. So here is what the difference method does. So the next which is, let's see, the discard, and the discard is also pretty simple. So let's say my set dot discard, and here discard simply means we want to remove an item in our set. So let's say in my set we want to remove 5, and here if we try to return our set, if we try to return the set, so here the set is now having 4 elements and here we remove 5. So that's what the discard does. The next here we are having the difference update. Let's see what it does. So here you try to use the same my set dot difference. Let's see the proposal, save time. So here we use the difference update, and here we pass your set. Okay, and now I'm sorry, I forgot to pass in a value. So here let's see g equals, and let's copy this. Okay, and paste. Okay, now if you try to return the g, or it didn't take the difference, actually, oh I see, my set dot difference update your set, and here it means if you try to return let's say your set is having the values as initially set, and now my set, you see here now we updated the my set, which is having the values 1, 2, 3. Initially my set was having the value from 1 to 5, and now the difference only return the difference, but now my set, the difference of the it removed the difference that we had, like this one from 1 to 3. So this is what the difference update does. And now we are having another method, which is the intersection, where you do my set dot intersection. Okay, dot intersection your set. So here it returns the intersection as we did in Venn diagram from our school. So here my set is the intersection your set, it returns a set. So here if you try to let's say because here we updated already our set, and now here the my set is having values from 1 to 5, from 1 to 3, and your set is having value from 4 to 10. So here the difference or the intersection doesn't exist. That is why it returns an empty set. The next method here is the dot union set. The dot union. Okay, so you try to do my set dot is this join, I forgot, I'm sorry, is this join your set, and we see what it will return. So here is true, which means is this join is like to see if the two set overlap, if the two circles like in the Venn diagram, if they overlap each other. That is what it does. And the last method you're gonna see here is the union, where you pass my set dot union your set. So here the union, as we know, is to unite the two set. So here we group the two set from 1. My set is having value from 1 to 3, and your set from 4 to 10, and we united them, so you are having one set. So that is all about the most important method we are having in set. So thanks, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next set of video coming, we're gonna talk about some conditionals on Python. So thank you.